If you want to clear up your nasal passages, perform your best, then you need VYV. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. You can revive with VYV. This little canister here is really interesting. It's actually developed by a buddy of mine, and so I have been trying this out, and it is awesome, and it is just hitting the market now. Basically, VYV is a way to help you revive yourself. Now, you are probably familiar with smelling salts, and actually, I have used a lot of different nasal inhalers myself, and they're not the ones that spray up. They have like sea salts and oils and things like that, and as you breathe them in, it kind of clears you up, makes you feel a little bit better, especially if you're going to work out, you're going to do something, you're going to present, you're going to do some public speaking, whatever it might be. It helps you revive yourself, it helps you breathe easier, it allows you to get the most out of what you're about to do. In fact, my favorite NFL kicker uses smelling salts before he kicks every field goal, and that is Matt Prater. So I know they must work because Matt Prater is a smart guy. Now I just want to show you here, we have this little black plastic container. It kind of looks like a lipstick container, maybe chapstick, something like that. It's pretty light, but you might be able to hear that it has some materials in there. And what's really interesting about this is that it produces ammonia. So that's very strong. You don't need a lot of it. In fact, a lot of the inhalers you have to put up to your nose and breathe deeply to kind of draw the air around. This is kind of different because if I just take the top off here, there is going to be a little hole here, and I can just squeeze this a little bit to project some of that ammonia, but really you can just waft it under your nose like this. Woo! You can feel it, man. It feels like a peppermint rush in your nose. And the reason is that this is also infused with some peppermint oils to give it a little bit of a nicer smell, because ammonia can be pretty harsh if you've ever used ammonia as a cleaning chemical. It's that kind of smell, but man, it opens you up. And the nice thing about this is ammonia inhalers have been around a really long time, so as far as I know, no detrimental health benefits, although you probably don't want to use it every few minutes. But it is kind of nice to give myself a little punch in the face right before I go on camera, go on to a long meeting, do a presentation, record a video, whatever it might be. So if you want to be your best, whether you're going on a hike, playing sports, presenting, well, you might want to check out VYV. Right now, I think you'll need to order these online, so I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.